The wasted stem, the unexpected story behind the celery stem, the overlooked superstructure. In every kitchen, the same ritual takes place. The fragrant parts are removed, and a complex structure is discarded. But what we throw away is more than just trash. This is what the inside of a celery stalk looks like. It looks like it has segments, and if you look closely, the inside of the stalk is shiny. The shiny inner surface of the celery stalk turns out to contain water and has a very high water content. It is a masterpiece of biomolecular engineering, a nutritional logistics powerhouse, and perhaps the key to health benefits we have been missing out on. Get ready to see celery in a way you've never imagined. Most of us do it, leaves for garnish, stems for the trash. The first big question is why? Is it simply a matter of taste, or are there deeper historical and cultural reasons? The answer lies in chemistry. Leaves are concentrated aroma factories, filled with essential oils that directly affect our sense of smell. Stems, with their different mission, choose different priorities. And this brings us to question 2. What's in this stalk? It's very watery. That's right. About 95% of a celery stalk is water. But this isn't just any water. It is a strategic fluid reserve stored in special cell structures. So, question 3, can this be eaten? Absolutely. And not only can it be eaten, but it's highly recommended. Let's look at question 4. What are its nutritional contents? Its nutritional content, such as potassium, appears as green particles flowing through the blood vessels, stabilizing the heartbeat graphically. Fiber is described as a clean brush sweeping the digestive tract. And there are vitamins K and C described as shields that protect cells, and antioxidants, such as apigenin, are described as small troops against free radicals, which are depicted as red fire particles. The data doesn't lie. Within each crunchy bar, there's a complete body support system, from blood pressure regulation and digestive cleansing to cell protection. This raises question 5. What are the benefits to the body? And question 6, which is better, the stem or the leaf? This isn't a competition, but a symbiotic collaboration. Leaves are specialists in powerful phytochemical compounds. Stems are logistics experts in hydration and minerals, as well as providers of structural fiber. Consuming both gives you a complete army. But, like everything in nature, there are limits. Question 7. What are the effects of taking too much? And question 8. Who should be careful? Excessive consumption, especially in the form of concentrated juice, can upset the balance. Individuals with special conditions, such as those taking blood thinners or having kidney problems, should consult a specialist. Nature provides medicine, but dosage is key. And this is the culmination of our investigation. Question 9. What is the best way to administer it? The answer begins with understanding question 10. Why is the structure segmented like bamboo? The segmented structure is depicted as a water storage tower. At each internode, it shows an active growing point, and the vascular tissue, xylem and phloem, is depicted as a vertical highway, transporting water upwards and nutrients downwards. Often, what we consider trash and trivial actually holds unexpected value. From now on, stop throwing it away. It tastes fresh, crunchy, and I know my body thanks me. Give it a try, and share your experiences in the comments. Have you ever tried a creative recipe using celery stalks? Subscribe for more explorations of everyday secrets. See you in the next video.